Hey friends, great to have you back on Lyriq Media, where information is key and accuracy is the drive. We update you here with information about the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other upcoming and trending EVs from GM. So if you are an EV fan or owner, here's the place for you. Here we function as a family. We listen to your comments and make all the necessary videos with the pieces of information you need. So feel free to subscribe, like this video, and click that notification bell to remain posted with info here. In today's video, we will discuss new slews of an update on the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq, the surround vision recorder and 2023 Cadillac Lyriq in satin steel metallic. With that being said, let's get to our video. GM said this summer that its surround vision recorder technology will be included in the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq Debut Edition. That looks to be changing, with GM opting not to include the technology on the battery electric crossover's debut model. Instead, the Lyriq Debut Edition, as well as the Cadillac Lyriq rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive models for the 2023 model year, will be surround vision and recorder capable, with the appropriate hardware pre-installed. Later, an over-the-air software update will be delivered to these vehicles, enabling the feature and providing full functioning. GM is following suit with its hands-free Super Cruise technology in the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq. All 2023 Cadillac Lyriq cars bought with Super Cruise will receive the hardware for the next-generation Super Cruise system, including external radar sensors, cameras, and the Super Cruise steering wheel. Customers will be unable to utilize Super Cruise on the car initially, with GM planning to activate the technology via over-the-air software sometime later. GM formerly offered the surround vision recorder on the Cadillac CT6 vehicle for the 2019 and 2020 model years. The Cadillac CT6 version comes with 4 exterior cameras strategically positioned throughout the vehicle's exterior, including 1 in each side mirror, 1 incorporated into the front grille, and 1 on the rear trunk lid. During vehicle operation, the cameras collect video utilizing the front and rear cameras, functioning as a replacement for an onboard dash camera, and they immediately turn on and begin recording when the car security system is armed and alert. While the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq Debut Edition won't receive the surround vision recorder, at the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq Debut Edition does not currently have a surround vision recorder. This technology is currently available on the Cadillac CT5 and Cadillac XT6 and has just been added to the full-size 2023 model Cadillac Escalade SUV. Celebrating the brand new all-electric era of luxury brands, the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq features all the traditional Cadillac luxury and state-of-the-art all-electric powertrains. Let's take a look at the new 2023 Cadillac Lyriq in satin steel metallic paint. GM Authority photographers captured this Cadillac Lyriq prototype in satin steel metallic paint, fully dressed in production and equipped with all the components expected of a unit on its way to the dealer. This is in contrast to Cadillac Lyriq's previous spy photos. This indicated a crossover where the components did not match or were missing. The only unproductive change seen in this prototype is the tape around the charging port just behind the front wheels on the driver's side of the fender. Notably, satin steel metallic is one of the 4 exterior colors offered on the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq. The other 3 are opulent blue metallic, crystal white tricoat, and Stella black metallic. On the front is a large blocked Cadillac Lyriq front fascia, stylized with silver lining and polished trim. Horizontal and vertical lighting illuminates the front with a single-colored central badge high incentive. Longitudinal views show that this 2023 Cadillac Lyriq prototype features a set of optional 22-inch wheels. Lyriq comes standard with 20-inch wheels, with optional 22-inch wheels available. The larger wheel is marked with the RPO code PJA and is officially called the Dynamic Split-Spoke Reverse Rim Alloy Wheel. Finally, at the rear, there is a Cadillac Lyriq horizontal styling queue and a rounded hatch section. Both horizontal and vertical lighting complement the front design. To be on the safe side, the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq features GM Ultium battery technology and GM Ultium drive motor technology, with outputs ranging from 340 HP to 500 HP. The range of one charge is over 300 miles. Underneath the skin is the GM BEV 3 platform, which is produced at GM's Spring Hill plant in Tennessee. We have got to the end of today's video. Share with us your choice in the comments area. Stay tuned to Lyriq Media for all the newest Cadillac news. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to let the YouTube universe know that this video is helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.